Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 very easy nature inspired DIYs and I hope you're going to enjoy all 3 of them. So let's begin with DIY number 1. For the first DIY, I'm making a Firefly Forest. Yes, and for that I have taken these branches from the garden nearby and a photo frame. So one by one I'm going to measure the branches and I'm going to adjust them so that they are nice snug fit on the entire length of the photo frame. Then with the help of hot glue I'm going to secure these branches so that they are in place. And some branches are not exactly the same size, they are bigger or smaller, so I'm just going to use hot glue to fix their places. And I'm going to put the branches in a haphazard way so that they have a bit of they provide a bit of depth that usually the forests have. That means some trees are at the background and some are at the foreground, so that kind of scenario. So now that all the branches are in place, I'm going to take fairy light and I'm going to wrap it all around the forest that I have created. And I have taken blinking lights so that they can create an illusion of blinking of the fireflies in forest. So my firefly forest is ready and I think it looks beautiful. It looks more pretty in person than I think the camera can capture. Today we are participating in the room by room challenge and it is hosted by Devin from the channel Freckled Mom DIY. Devin is absolutely amazing. She creates great YouTube videos and her Instagram is full of inspiration, motivation and great creative content. Do check out her channel and the playlist given in the description box. And let's move on to DIY number 2. This DIY, I have taken the leaves of the sacred fig plant. It is very common in countries like India and also considered very holy and sacred. So I have dipped these leaves in water for around a week. So after a week I scraped off the mushy portion of the leaves and I got this skeletal form of the leaf, which is basically veins, and it looks super pretty with that mesh pattern. And here I am spray painting it with gold spray paint, and this really looks very pretty. I'm going to show it after it dries. So this is how the leaf skeleton looks after 2 coats of gold spray paint. I'm going to just place it on any on a glitter paper. You can use any kind of sheet, and I'm going to frame this leaf and you're going to just see in a bit how it looks. So this is how my leaf wall art is going to look after it is framed. It looks super elegant. It was super easy to make. It took a bit of time with all that scraping and taking out the skeleton part, but believe me, this was so easy to make and absolutely inexpensive, and that is the best part of this DIY. For the next DIY, I'm going to decorate some tea light candles, and for that I have melted these wax melts. And I'm going to pour this into these silicone wax molds. After this, we need to wait for around an hour so that the wax solidifies, and then we are going to demold it. So now I'm going to demold the floral wax tablets that I've made, or wax pieces. So here you can see that the beautiful shapes have come together and the flowers are looking super pretty. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks in a bit once I'm done demolding the entire mold. These silicone molds are so good. I have used them for a variety of projects, for clay, resin, and even candle wax today. So these are the flowers that have come out. Aren't they looking all very cute? And the next step is I'm going to drill holes in the center, and I'm going to place these on top of tea light candles. I'm going to just show you in a bit how. So just you can see that I have drilled a hole inside the flower that I just made, and I'm going to pass the wick of the tea light candle through that flower, and the wick comes out from the top. And in the similar fashion, I'm going to place the others also. You can simply just put the flowers on top of the tea light candles if the flowers are small in shape also, or however you would want your tea lights to be decorated. I think it would look great. Now to enhance the flowers, I'm coloring them with the help of acrylic paint. I have used colors like red, pink, white and gold. You can choose multiple colors, or whatever colors or designs or patterns you would want to make or decorate your tea lights into. And with the help of 3D cone liners, I'm making florals and little leaves and all those polka dot patterns, so as to enhance the tea lights a little more. To keep the flowers in place, I have melted the tea light wax from top a bit, and then I have placed the flowers on top so that it glues and then it stays in place. And my floral tea lights are ready. Aren't they looking gorgeous? I'm absolutely loving them. The colors, the pattern, everything looks so in sync with nature and nature inspired. So do let me know which out of the three DIYs was your favorite. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.